This guy's song went viral on TikTok and he didn't know about it. This artist's name is called Mr. UJ. And as you can see on the screen, there was a lot of video under the sound. And one thing that amazed me is that it's not just videos. It's not just like a random video. That this video has engagement, views, and all that. So let's discuss about this. Yeah, today is the 6th of my 7 days TikTok challenge, and like I told you all that I'll be talking about my journey in the creative space, in the creative industry. And if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Prince Daniel. I'm a filmmaker. I'm a creative person. Many of you don't also know that I do music distribution, music marketing, and all that. And let me tell you a story of this artist. He blew and didn't know about it. Recently, the guy reached out to me. He said that he wants to distribute his new song. The new song is titled Fire on the Mountain. That I want the song to be on all platforms. Then I now take the contract. I signed the contract of me being his distributor. In the process, I was trying to navigate his TikTok account, because nowadays, as we all know, TikTok is the main major place, almost like the main major place for music promotion and all that. And as I entered the TikTok, I claimed the artist's profile for TikTok. You know, when you claim the artist's profile on TikTok, the song will appear, or the person's song will appear on the profile. And I claimed the artist's profile. A lot of songs appeared on the profile, as you can see it on the screen. The songs appear like this. Then I come across one particular song, this particular song now. Listen to the song. The song has a lot of videos under the sound song on TikTok. Then I click it to check if maybe it's someone else's song or is his own particular song. Then I check, I'm seeing 4,000 plus videos under the sound. I was like, bro, you have really tried though. In my mind though, I said, okay, let me confirm from him. Then I called him. Wait, when did you drop this song? Did you promote it on TikTok? I made it to have this much video under it. Say no, that I dropped the song, was it 2020 or so? That I didn't promote it. That inside the album, the song is inside album. Inside the album itself, that song is one of the songs that he didn't even care about. So the song just fly by itself. You understand? So the thing was somehow confusing. The reason why I'm saying this is, artists, as a musical artist, sometimes you need to pay attention to your craft, and sometimes also you need to scale in some things that you feel like it doesn't really matter. There are some of your songs that you feel like this song will not go, this song is not a major song, is not a hit song, that is actually a hit song. So that is the reason why I'm making this video. And again, I want you to go and use the sound. It's really trending. In fact, everybody under that sound is going viral, and I don't know why. You can see it by yourself. You can see videos under the sound are getting millions of views, thousands of views. They are making followers from it. We opened a new TikTok account, so I'll tag him in this video. Kindly do go and follow him and use the sound, and I'll also try to talk with him to know what's up, to know why such thing happened and there is no away. And I would really like to hear from his mouth, because we never really talk much about it. But all I want you to know is this music is a very nice music, and him feeling like it's not the best music inside the album. I don't know why. So please go and use the sound, follow him on TikTok, and stay updated. And also don't forget, stream his new single, Fire on the Mountain. You know, good artists, they no need to tell you, Coco no need that VAT. Please hit the like button, share, drop a comment, let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay creative, stay consistent, and stay winning. God bless you.